What's up YouTube? It's your girl Winnie the Truth, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to crinkle your hair with a side part sew-in with leave outs. Yes, I have leave outs. If you like these crinkles that I did in my hair, then continue to watch the video. A lot of people like to ask me how I do my edges, how I keep my hair laid, so I decided to show you guys how I do my hair when it's crinkled. If you guys want any more videos, don't forget to just let me know. Comment down below, text me, DM me, and let me know what more videos you guys want to see. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel. And yeah, let's just get right into the video, y'all. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing I like to do before I start to crinkle my hair is brush it. So I brush everything out, make sure it's all brushed out. And the first thing I like to do, so I have, like I said earlier, a side part sew-in with leave out. So I like to do my leave out at the end. I already did my edges earlier, so they're laid. But I like to do my leave out at the end. So first, I take a piece, like not too much, like that big. Put this in a clip. And then I get my crinkler, and then I just start at the top, and then I'll let it sit for like 15 seconds. I know that's a long time, but that's just me. I like to let it sit for a while. But I'm going to put this on fast track. I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna play some music while we wait. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny.
stop and explain it one more time to y'all. So I get like a small little piece and I comb it out as you seen earlier, and then I'll start all at the top and put the crinkler there, and I let it sit for like 15 seconds, and then I'll go down just a little bit, like right at the end of the first crinkle I'll go down, right at the end of the other, like, you know, I'll go down at the end of each crinkle, if that makes sense. Let me show y'all. Like 15 seconds. Alright, so you see it ends right here, like a little hump. I'll start right there. And then the next, I guess you can say hump, the next hump I'll start right there. And then I'll just go all the way until it's at the end. But yeah, that's how I do it. So I'm gonna start my music back.
You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around.
I do is I take a piece from the back. I usually start from like the bottom piece, and I put this top piece around like my clip, and then I use my right hand and I go in the back like that, and then I'll just go down, wait 15 seconds and go down. So that's how I do the back. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna just face this way so y'all can see how it looks. Ooh, there is a crinkle. I can see. So then I'll do this piece that I comb. I just like to comb it one more time. Get that piece.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, deep, baby, deep, deep, baby, deep, deep, baby. I wanna play deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until
smaller pieces, you don't have to sit for like 15 seconds. You can really do maybe 8-10 because it's like smaller and it goes by pretty quicker. So you can just let it sit for a little bit and then boom, 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 go down. So everything is crinkled right now. So this is how it looks right now. Let me do a 360. So this is how everything looks right now. Okay, so I'm still not done, but pretty much done with everything else. So the next thing I like to do is go to the ends and crinkle them, like so they can all be like together crinkled and not some pieces straight. So I like to go back and crinkle them like this. I just let it sit there for a minute. I'm gonna show you guys like the spray I use to hold my crinkles. It really lasts all day. Like you don't have to see. Look at that. That's pretty. It really lasts all day. So like you don't have to worry about your hair, like your curls or your crinkles falling or your hair getting frizzy. Like this spray is really good on your bundles, your regular hair. It's really good. So I'm gonna show y'all what I use. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. Like I said, I already did my edges, so they're already laid. I thought I would have to do my leave out again, but my leave out looks pretty good, so I just really have to use my spray. Okay, so there we go, that's good. All right. So I wanted to show y'all real quick the setting that I use for my crinkle. So this is my crinkle. I got it from Amazon. I don't know if y'all can see it. I got this from Amazon. So there's two different temperatures. It's 180 and there's 210. I always use the highest temp. I don't know if it's focusing, but I always use the highest temp just because it's weave and my weave is pretty good. And I feel like it holds better with the higher temp. Now if you're doing like your natural hair, I would recommend probably 180 because the 210 is pretty hot on your hair. So let me show y'all real quick on the spray I use. So I use this Super Host Spritz hairspray, Fantasia liquid mousse. When I tell y'all, this right here works wonders. You can get this at the beauty supply. It's gonna make sure your hair is in place. Now some people use the wide tail comb to like comb out the crinkles, but I love lines like this. I feel like they should just fall on their own naturally. So I just spray a lot, y'all. Like I drench my these things like stay all day. All the hard work I just did. So I let it stay. You will feel it like stiff, like not stiff, but you will feel it like, you know, hold your crinkles in place. So okay y'all, so this is the finished look. These are the curls, well the crinkles. Look at it. Y'all hear Ace in the background eating, but look at it, look at it. This is it, the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what more videos you guys like to see on my channel. And yeah, We the Truth is finally out.